Hi first grade friends, this is Mrs. Hannah. I'm here for lesson 15 for our academic vocabulary. This is our last lesson in the module, so we have a lot of vocabulary words that we worked on throughout the last 3 weeks. So I want to review some of those words with you, and then I'm going to encourage you to use these words in your writing, especially after you listen to my next video on our module wrap-up. So the first word that we learned was the word period. Period is an amount of time. Next is orbit. Orbit is when things orbit, they move around something in a circle. Sweep. The word sweep, if something moves in a sweep, it moves in a curved way. Rolls. When something rolls, it moves from one place or time to another, like the rolling ball. The next word is universe. The universe is everything in the world, like the earth, the planets, and the stars. Just like this picture, I see all the stars. Tilt. Look at that cute dog. Do you see how he's tilting his head? If something tilts, it has one part that is higher than the other. Revolve. Revolve means when things revolve, they go in a circle around something else, like the carousel. Gravity. Gravity is a force that makes things stay close to the earth. So when that apple or a leaf falls from the tree, gravity is the force that pulls it to the ground. Blackout. A blackout is when the electricity stops working and all the lights go out. I see in that picture the city is in a blackout. I don't see any lights on, and that's not normal for a city. Speaking of the word normal, when things are normal, they are like they usually are. Like, it is normal for the freezer to be very cold. Busy. The word busy means that you have lots of things to do. The students are busy painting, drawing, reading. The word solar means it has to do with the sun. So right there we see solar panels on the house, and they're collecting energy from the sun. Huddled. Huddled means that if a group of people are huddled together, they're very close together. Like the players in this picture are huddled together to hear the coach. Idea. The word idea is when you have an idea, you are thinking about something. So this little guy has an idea. It's like a light bulb moment. Arrives. When something arrives, it begins or gets to where it needs to be, like when your family arrives from the airport. Avoid. If you avoid something, you keep away from it. Like this little guy is avoiding those large puddles. Nears. When something nears, it gets closer. The train nears the station. Blanket. A blanket is a large amount of something that covers an area. Like this yard is covered with a blanket of snow. Hidden. The word hidden means you cannot see it. The hidden flowers behind the little girl are hidden from her mom. Bare. When a tree is bare, it has no leaves on its branches. So I see no trees. There are no leaves. Sorry, I see trees, but the trees are bare. They have no leaves. Faces. If something faces you, the front part of it is toward you. So the house faces the beach in that picture. Shines. When something shines, it gives off a bright light, like the flashlight. Fades. When something fades, it slowly loses color and goes away. So over time, the color of that shirt fades. Seasons. The word seasons is talking about, the word seasons are the 4 parts of the year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then in each season, we have different types of weather. So the weather is what the air is like outside. So it can be sunny, rainy, windy, and stormy, or even snowy. Shivering. If you are shivering, you are shaking because you are cold or scared. Starry. Something that is starry is bright and full of stars. Creatures. Creatures are all kinds of animals. Fish, spiders, birds, oh goodness, so many things. Swooping. If something is swooping, it is flying fast and smooth, down and up, like those seagulls. Reaching. When something is reaching a place, it is getting there. That little guy right there is reaching the finish line before all the others. Wait. When you wait, you stay ready for something you think will happen. The children wait for the crossing guard to walk them across the street. Groan. A groan is a deep sound you make when you are hurt or not happy. Like if your stomach hurts, you might make a loud groan to let others know you're in pain. Worth. If one thing is worth the same as another thing, it is just as good, important, or useful. So 4 quarters are worth $1. Able. If you are able to do something, you can do it. This little girl is able to keep her balance while rollerblading. And wasted. If something is wasted, it is not used in a smart way. Water is wasted if you leave the water running while brushing your teeth. Those are our vocabulary words for the last module that we've been working on. What I would like for you to do is to continue using these words inside your writing, inside your conversations. Make sure that when you use the next video for our module wrap up, that you are using some of these vocabulary words that we have learned along the way. Thanks for joining in.